So guys, most of you had commented to make video on the Accenture off-campus hiring process about its syllabus and the preparation video. So here it is. So before discussing further, if you are new to our channel, then please subscribe and press the bell icon for more job updates or the lateral hiring updates or the reference updates or the job reference updates and the interview preparation videos. And also we have seen that some of you had requested for the e-litmus PH test preparation or the syllabus video. So in the next video or the upcoming video, we'll be discussing about that. And one thing, so please have some patience. So after commenting your requirements, we'll be uploading videos within 5 to 7 days according to a requirement. So it will be taking some time to prepare a document and making video and uploading it in the YouTube. So within 5 to 7 days, we'll be definitely uploading the video after you are commenting. So now let's discuss about the topic or about the agenda first. So before discussing about the agenda, let me tell you one thing. So in this video, we'll be mainly focusing about the associate software engineer job role or the job profile. So other job role or the job profile, the hiring process may differ or may be different. So now the agenda. So in this video, we'll be discussing about the Accenture interview process or the hiring process, then the syllabus or some of the sample or the probable questions. So it is not possible to discuss maximum questions in this video. So we'll be discussing a few questions or the sample questions in this video. In the next video, for each section like aptitude, reasoning, there will be one videos. For aptitude, one video. For the reasoning, to another video. So like this, we'll be uploading videos before the interview happens if you have time. Then the job role, as you discussed earlier, associate software engineer, salary will be getting 4.5 LPA. Job location is across India. So if you want to know more about the eligibility criteria and the other interview dates or the important things, you can refer our previous video. We have already uploaded a video regarding Accenture off-campus drive. So I'll be putting the link of our previous video in the description of this video, so that you'll be able to watch that video and know more about the last date and applying process, etc, etc. So now let's discuss about the interview process. So there will be 3 interview process. First one is the written test, second one is the technical, and third one is the HR. So sometimes they conduct a GD. So especially GD is especially for the MCAT interview process. So in this video we'll be focusing on the e-litmus or the off-campus drive. So for the MCAT, in case of MCAT, there will be a GD round extra. So totally, basically there will be 3 rounds of interview: written, technical, and HR. So now let's discuss about the written test first. So in the written interview or the written round, there they follow 2 different patterns. First one is the simple one and the second one is the co-cubes, which is a little bit different as compared to the first one. So one by one we'll be discussing about. So the first one is the simple one. So there will be 5 sections. So the first one is the quantitative aptitude, then the verbal ability, logical ability, fourth one is the technical ability or the technical MCQs, then fifth one is the coding questions. So for the quantitative aptitude, there will be total number of 25 questions. Time will be getting 35 minutes and difficulty level is hard. Then verbal ability, 25 questions. Time will be getting 25 minutes and difficulty level is medium. Then the logical reasoning. Totally there will be 24 questions. Time allocated 35 minutes. Difficulty level is hard. Then the technical ability or the technical MCQs. Time will be getting 20 questions will be getting 20, time 25 minutes. Difficulty level is hard. Then coding, 2 questions, there will be 45 minutes. Difficulty level is hard. For the first question you will be getting 15 minutes. For the second question you will be getting 30 minutes. Totally 45 minutes. So sometimes there will be one question only and time will be getting 30 to 45 minutes. If you are getting only one question, then the difficulty level may be much more, or the complexity will be much more as compared to the 2 questions. So let me tell you one thing, the quantitative aptitude questions will be much more harder than you expect. So I'm requesting all of you to please prepare very well for the quantitative aptitude. So every section has a sectional cutoff. So later we'll be discussing about that. So now let's discuss about the other pattern. So other pattern, they follow CoCubes one. So as we all know, CoCube test pattern is a little bit hard as compared to the other hiring process or the other websites like eLitmus or MCAT. So there will be a cognitive round for the written test plus the technical MCQs. So totally there will be 90 questions, 50 for the cognitive round or the cognitive section. For the technical MCQs, there will be 40 questions. Total will be getting time 90 minutes only. So for each questions or every question you will be getting 1 minute only, because for 90 questions you will be getting 90 minutes only. But for the simple pattern, for 25 questions of aptitude section, you will be getting 35 minutes. So it is more than enough. But for the CoCube pattern, if you are there following, you will be getting only 1 minute to solve one question. So cognitive round or the section contains quantitative aptitude plus verbal ability plus logical reasoning. So combining all these three sections, they call it as a cognitive round. So let me tell you one thing, there is no time allocation or the limit for the quantitative aptitude or the verbal ability or the logical reasoning. Totally you'll be getting 50 minutes to complete the cognitive section. That means suppose totally there will be 50 questions in the cognitive round. So there will be 16 to 70 questions for the quantitative aptitude. For the verbal ability, again 16. For the logical ability, there will be 16 questions. Totally there will be 50 questions. So to complete total number of 50 questions, you will be getting 50 minutes. So suppose you are taking 30 or 25 minutes to complete the quantitative aptitude questions or the MCQs. So later you need to cover all the both the sections, verbal ability and the logical reasoning, within 25 minutes. So please try to complete the quantitative aptitude questions within 16 minutes only if they are following the CoCubes pattern. So if they are not following the CoCube pattern, then you can take 35 minutes. It's enough. And there is a minimum time limit for each section. If they are following the CoCube pattern, they need to complete all the cognitive round within 50 minutes. So it's up to you how will you will manage your time. So please prepare for the CoCube pattern, so that later if they are following the simple pattern one, you will be able to solve the questions more easily, because you already have practiced for the worst one. So if they are making the interview process or the written test simple one, then no issues, you can do better. So now another thing, so every section has the sectional cutoff. So the written test is a little bit tough and the tricky. So if you are able to crack it, then the next round you will be cracking easily, as the difficulty level is medium. That means for the technical and the HR round, it will not be that much of difficult as compared to the written test. So please try to crack the written test first. So in the coding round, you can solve by using C or C++, Java or Python, any of these. Then use Geeks for Geeks or the W3 schools for practicing the technical MCQs or the technical ability questions. So they cover from the beginners to the top level. So please visit their website. So I'll be putting the links in the description of this video, some of the simple questions for practicing the technical MCQs of this video, so that you will be able to crack this interview or preparing for the interview process. Then desktop or a laptop is mandatory for the online assessment. So due to the COVID-19 situation, you will be attending the off campus or the written test full interview process from your home itself, or the virtual interview it will be. So you must have a desktop or laptop. So you must have a webcam or the microphone or the earphone to attend the drive. So I have mentioned or I have written some of the important syllabus for different sections. So the first one, the verbal ability. For the verbal ability, there will be a sentence selection, spotting the error or the grammatical error, sentence arrangement, reading the comprehensions. So these are the most important syllabus, or you can say topics, or the things you need to cover in the verbal ability. Then for the quantitative ability or the aptitude, profit and loss. So the majority of the questions will be getting from the profit and loss. Then the ratio and proportion, it's simple, means very less questions will be getting. Then the logarithms, simple and the compound interest, majority questions. Then the divisibility, series and propagation, HCF and LCM, areas, time and work, majority questions will be getting. Probability, majority, permutation, combination. So least number of questions you'll be getting. Percentage, speed and distance, majority questions. So I forgot to mention majority here. So from the speed and distance topic you'll be getting maximum questions. Then the average and the geometry. So these are the least questions you'll be getting. So I'm requesting all of you again to prepare well for the quantitative ability. So you can refer the RS Agrobal to prepare for the quantitative aptitude or the ability. So if you are weak in quantitative ability, then you can follow the India Wix to prepare. So they cover from medium or easy level difficulty level to hard difficulty level. So you can follow the India Wix to prepare for the quantitative ability online. So I'll be putting the links, no worries. So then the next one or the next section is the logical reasoning, arrangements, majority questions, visual reasoning, then the blood relations, majority questions, then statement and the conclusions, coding decoding, directional sense like east west etc. Suppose X traveled 40 or 50 meters to the right etc to the west etc. Then the analogies, seating arrangements, maximum questions will be getting. Then the logical sequence. So these are the most important syllabus or the topics you need to cover while preparing for the Accenture written test. Then the technical ability, finding the output, maximum questions you'll be getting. Simple questions will be getting like pre-decrement operator, or you can say there will be some operations, adding etc. Then you need to, or some loop or conditions there will be, you need to find simply output. So there will be 3 to 5 lines of code, you need to find the output of it. So it is not complex. If you have fundamentals are clear, then you can easily crack this technical ability section, because the each and every section has the sectional cutoff. So I am requesting all of you to prepare for the each and every section well. Please focus or give same time to the each and every section. Then the syntax correction, operators, data structure, maximum questions will be getting like linked list etc. Then the OOPS concept and conditional operators, logical error finding, maximum questions will be getting like percentage will be there, or suppose they forgot to equal operator, mention the equal operator etc. So again you need to, you can follow the W3 schools. If you are not good in technical round, or you can say C Java, then you can follow the W3 schools. From the basic itself you can prepare or learn in the W3 schools. So please visit to prepare for the aptitude questions, or to prepare for the technical questions. W3 schools is the best website. Then some of the sample questions I have discussed for each and every section. For the verbal ability, the officer received DES official letter from DES Ministry of Health in DES central government. So the answer is D, A, an official letter from a Ministry of Health in the central government. So these are the some of the sample questions or the probable questions here I have discussed. So choose the best antonym for the lament. So option is the, or the answer is the celebrate. So these are the answers or the probable questions here. So then the quantitative aptitude or the ability. So I'll be putting these questions in the description of this video, so that you can go through the questions and prepare for the interview. So no worries, in the next video we'll be discussing about each and every section, about its preparation videos, or some of the sample questions will be solving by ourselves. So in this video it is not possible for us to cover each and every section for the sample questions. So in the next video we'll be discussing about each and every section, so that for each and every section we'll be taking 25 minutes or the 30 minutes to complete. So if you are covering the probable questions for each section in this video, it will be taking minimum 2 to 3 hours to complete. So I hope you are getting. So in this video we discussed about the syllabus and the interview process. So I'm requesting all of you to please prepare for both the simple pattern or the simple hiring process one as well as the CoQ pattern. So if you are preparing well for the CoQ pattern, then it is nothing. Then the simple pattern or the simple hiring process is nothing for you. So I'm requesting all of you to prepare for the worst or prepare for the best one. So I hope you get a clear idea about the hiring process or the syllabus. So if you have any doubts regarding the Accenture preparation or Accenture of campus drive, you can comment your doubts in the comment section below so that we'll be able to help you as soon as possible. So thank you for watching and all the best for your future.